The techniques that I taught you today is, first one is trauma release. Trauma release, you need to feel the trauma, the moment of the trauma in your life, and you have to feel it completely in your body. If it is congestion in your chest or belly, wherever it is, you need to release that energy by pressing. For example, if it is in the chest region, then you need to press it in the heart chakra. If it is in the throat, you need to press in the throat. There will be moments when you have not expressed yourself fully, then that energy is lost in the throat chakra. So release from here, release from your diaphragm by pressing and doing like this, and do it more like this. Faster also you can do, but release it completely by feeling it completely. All right, so this is first for trauma release. Second is, do mouth exhalation, complete, slow, continuous, conscious, and it should be extremely slow like this. Do this mostly when you are moving and when you are exhaling. Make sure that the last exhalation is happening till the end. The slower, the longer, the better. And this will help you in multiple ways. You just need to do it throughout the day. From the moment you wake up from the bed, start with exhalation first and then take the activity. Exhalation is more important than the activity, any activity you are doing outside. And the third is external kumbhak, which is inhale slowly from your nose. Let the body inhale. If burping is coming, farting is happening, or yawning is coming, these are all signs of healing. So let it happen. When yawning is coming, then you take water. And when your burping is happening, then also you can drink water. All right. So inhale, then exhale from your mouth. And then hold your breath. When you are holding your breath, your belly should not move. It should not move. Release and relax. 2-3 breaths in between, and then you can repeat the process. In the morning, you do 30 times. Throughout the day, you can do 40 times, 5 times, 10 times, like this mix of all. And at night, you do 30 times. Before bed, before sleeping, you do 30 times. And do these 3 techniques continuously for 1 week. Let your brain and nervous system understand all these things. And the fourth is conscious eating. Conscious eating, take only small morsels. Chew it till the time it becomes into a paste and melts in the mouth. And you don't need to swallow it. Eat only when you are hungry. And rest of the steps you can read from Discourses that you will get on our website. All right. And fifth is, start reading each Discourses every day. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.